Hey Wonderfuls! I want to show you how I do my hair in my van. No, we're not in my van, but that's kind of the point. You can do this, no heat hairstyle, just about anywhere. I got these waveform stylers from Amazon at about 20 bucks for a pack of 40, and they come in different quantities and lengths. They also have a spiral curl shape available that I'm probably going to get now that I know how these ones work. They're kind of a flexible mesh material with rubber at each end to hold them onto the hair, and they come with a large, almost crochet hook to pull the hair through the forms. You want to start with damp hair and then add your product of choice just to give it some hold when you take them out. I like to keep a spray bottle on hand because my hair does dry pretty quickly. I always divide my hair into a few larger sections first. It's a little easier to work with and gives me an idea of the size of these sections I'll be pulling through the forms. You feed the crochet hook through the form and grab your smaller section of hair and then give it a little twist just to keep it together while you hook and pull it through the form. Once all the hair is pulled through, you just wait for it to dry. I like to do it before I go to bed and then sleep on it and take them out in the morning. You can use a blow dryer on them or just let them dry naturally. Because my hair is quite thin, it only takes about 2 hours for it to dry with the forms on. It takes me about 30 minutes to do my entire head, and I probably only use 30 of the forms. While this is drying, can we all just take a minute to admire the design of this camper van mirror that I threw together? It is so helpful for seeing the back of your head, and was made by gluing together some dollar store mirrors, some cardboard, and some Velcro. I put a little bit of mirrored vinyl over the cardboard just to cover it up, and added a shoelace on the back to make an adjustable hanger. I also want to give an honorable mention to the microfiber camp towel. Though microfiber doesn't feel like regular towels, it still dries out quicker and stores smaller, is perfect for travel, and has multiple uses, which is always a win. Once the hair is all dry, these forms can be pulled out, and then I'll usually separate the waves a little bit with my fingers, maybe add some hairspray, and they're good to go. I absolutely love the wave they give, and the fact that they don't require any heat or power to work. Plus, they even look pretty sweet for a Halloween costume.